Hello everyone, my name is Rhoda Kithinji. I am a financial advisor at Britam, and today I would like us to look at the elements you need to consider when taking up health insurance. So one of the things is waiting periods. And what do I mean by that? This is the time span where you cannot claim for any benefit in terms of health insurance. And the reason is it has not gotten yet to maturity. For example, you have a pre-existing condition. That means you cannot immediately use your card to be treated for whatever condition you might have. Maybe you're already living with asthma, diabetes, and all that. That means there is a specific duration of time you have to wait for it to surpass so that you can be able to actually use the card for treatment. So the other thing you want to focus on are exclusions. And let me give you an example. Let's say you want to do acupuncture or herbal medicine. That's not covered if anything went wrong. In case of suicide, that's not covered. In case of hazardous sports, maybe you want to go and do skydiving, whitewater rafting, all that is not covered by the health insurance. In case you're looking at crutches and wheelchairs, that's not covered. You need a hearing aid, that's not covered. So it is important for you to actually ask what are the exclusions in your plan, so that by the time you're going to a hospital, you actually know if you're going to use your money or use the health insurance cover you have. The other thing you want to look at is the limits. Have you chosen a limit of 300,000, 500,000, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, 10 million in your cover? It is very important for you to select a cover that you think that will be able to cover your whole family. Now, as much as you take this limit, you also need to understand, when you take up this limit, are you covered for the whole limit in terms of pre-existing condition, chronic condition, critical illness? In case you go to a hospital, can you be able to actually use the 1 million on those 3 cases? If not, then you'll find that maybe pre-existing condition, you've only been given a limit of 350, depending on the limit you choose. Maybe for critical illness, you have another limit. So in case you exceed that limit, then you have to top up with your money to pay the extra. So kindly note, you need to consider the limits, you need to consider the waiting periods, and you need to consider the exclusions. So in case you have any other query in terms of hospitals and all that, we can always have a discussion. I will share my contacts and we can talk from there. Remember, knowledge is power. You can never go wrong. Thank you.